Micropiles have been around for a long time. They're relatively fast, they can be less disruptive of the surrounding environment, and they keep noise to a minimum in highly populated areas. Most importantly, they can offer a great, reliable foundation in a variety of soil conditions and confining workspaces. Conventional micropile rigs and equipment have been a long-running standard, but APE Drilling has worked from the ground up to redesign a more efficient, faster, and streamlined micropile process with their new HD series drivers. Designed with a hollow center that allows air, water, grout, and auger casting material, the HD drivers have simplified the micropile installation process while maximizing performance. Traditional micropile rigs have limited applications and require numerous crew hands to fine-tune and adjust the various rigging components. Casings, drill rods, reinforcement bars, and grout trimming tubes must all be appropriately handled in order to make a successful micropile. Here in Jersey City, plans for a residential building were being designed to include 76 apartment units and a single-story parking garage. APE Drilling stepped up to the job with their new all-in-one excavator-mounted HD 150 driver, utilizing 130,000 foot-pounds of torque and 5,000 psi for pressure grouting applications. A 6-man crew used the HD 150 to install over 200 7-inch grouted micropiles up to 40 feet deep, completing the job in 2 months' time. The design of the HD series allows targeting and plumbness of the finished piles to be quickly and easily achieved for a wide range of ground crews, regardless of experience, while still attaining maximum load capacity. The HD 150 safely and efficiently simplifies the grouting process by pushing grout directly through the hollow center of the driver and down to the pile's hollow tip during pile installation. This method creates a composite grout steel pile for the full depth, with superior lateral resistance if needed and the ability to control water and grout placement over the entire pile length. Using the HD 150 and the pile itself for both grouting and installation remove the need for crews to handle casing, reinforcing bars, and trimming tubes. The HD series really does it all. A quick learning curve is all the operator needs before they're able to use the rotating handling clamps to pick up the coupling end of the HD pile and begin installation. APE Drilling's grouted piles use reinforced threaded and coupled connections to securely attach extensions to the base helical pile, creating a solid high-capacity micropile within a matter of minutes. When encountering dense geologies or other subterranean obstacles, the HD driver can quickly become a down-the-hole hammer, effortlessly breaking apart rock and obstructions in a wide range of soil conditions. Low noise and vibration from the HD 150 ensures a comfortable work environment for ground crews as well as surrounding neighborhoods. The APE Drilling HD series is the ideal driving solution for secure, swift, and safe installation of micropiles, auger casts, helical piles of all sizes, and more.